Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. My name is Naufal Abyan Rivaldi from Class 15 2D07. And in this video, I will be presenting about the topic that I choose is a hardware. Understanding the physical component that make up computer system. So, let's begin with an introduction. So what is exactly is hardware? So basically hardware refers to the physical part of a computer system. For the examples, keyboard, mouse, monitor, and other things. And hardware has many types, and these are five main types of a computer hardware. First, input device. Second, output device. Third, processing device. Fourth, storage device. And last, or fifth, communication device. Each type serves a specific function for the computer system, and I will be explain it one for one. And first, we got the input device. So input device is a hardware component that allow users to enter data and control signals into a computer. And for the example is keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, and other things. And output device. Output device is a hardware that receives data from a computer and present it to the user in a readable or usable form. For the examples of output device is monitor, printer, speakers, and headphones. And third, processing device. Processing device, known as the brain of the computer. They execute instruction, perform calculation, and manage data flow. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, handles general tasks. While the GPU, or Graphics Processing Units, specialize in graphical data. And this GPU is often used in a gaming, video editing, and AI application. Fourth, storage device. Storage devices are hardware components used to store digital data, either temporarily or permanently. And first example is primary storage, main memory. For the example, random access memory, RAM, read-only memory. And the secondary storage, this used for long-term data store even when the computer is powered off. Examples: HDD, hard disk drive, SSD, solid state drive, or USB flash drive. And the last, or the fifth, is a communication device. It allows computers to communicate with each other. For the example, network interface card, modem, router, and Bluetooth adapter. And these are the importance of a hardware, or the reason why hardware is important. 1. Essential for a computer operation. 2. Works with software to perform tasks. 3. Upgradable to improve performance. 4. 4. Determine system capability. And the last, conclusion of a hardware. So, hardware is the foundation of any computer system. It includes all the physical parts that make computing possible. And so that's all from me. See you on a part 2. Okay, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello again. Uh, in this second video, I would like to presentate about the topic is software and operating system. Understanding the core of a computer functionality. Okay, so what are software and operating system? First, I will explain software first. Software refers to programs and other operating information used by a computer. It enables users to perform specific tasks or function. And two, operating system. Operating system is a fundamental type of software that controls and coordinates the use of hardware among various applications programs. And together, they allow users to interact with the computer and run application perfectly. Okay, there are three types of a software. One, system software. It operates and controls the hardware. Two, application software. It performs specific user tasks. And three, programming software. It's tools for developers. The role of operating system. An operating system is a software that manages all hardware and software on a computer. It provides a user interface. It ensures that hardware resources such as CPU, memory, and storage are used efficiently. Examples: Windows manages a device and apps on a PC, while Android does the same on smartphones. Functions of an operating system. The operating system several key functions. First, uh, process management, memory management, file system management, device management, security and access control, and the last, user interface. All these functions ensure smooth and secure computer operation. Okay. There are various operating systems available. For example, uh, is the most widely used desktop of operating system is Microsoft Windows, and second, Mac OS, developed by Apple for Mac computers, and third, Linux, open source operating system with many distribution, Ubuntu and Fedora. Fourth, Android, based on Linux, dominant in mobile device. iOS, Apple's mobiles operating system for iPhones and iPads. And here are the examples of application software for like includes program we use daily for productivity like Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, and other things, and web browser for like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari, and media players like VLC and Spotify that we use to hear a song or play a video, and graphic design. And for the graphic design, Adobe Photoshop or Canva. And for communication, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and WhatsApp. And here, how OS and software work together. First, application requests service from the OS through system calls. And two, OS manage resources so application don't conflict. For example, when you print a document, The application the application sends the job to the OS, which communicates with the printer driver. Open source versus vs proprietary software. First, open source software. Code is publicly accessible. Users can modify and share. Example, Linux. Proprietary software owned by an individual or company usually requires a license. Example, Microsoft Windows. Sorry. And the last conclusion. Software, especially operating system, is the backbone of computing. The operating system is critical for managing resource and providing a platform for other software. Understanding the difference and how they work together is key to better using and developing technology. And that's all from me. Thanks for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.